Giuseppe, what are you doing?
Check it out. I'm doing Mike's Tonka. I'm putting it together.
Oh, baby. You painted everything?
Yes.
No
Check
kidding.
it out. This is the cab.
Let me see the cab. Let me see. That is awesome paint job. Look at that. Wow.
Beautiful, ain't it?
It really is. Bro, you don't buff. How the hell do you do it? You don't have to buff anything?
I got my ways.
No, because the modern paint is like, it's kind of that tree hug and stuff. It doesn't perform the way they used to years ago. You know that?
It doesn't, no. But
Wow, that's amazing.
hey,
And what's in the box over here?
This is Gasoline Alley.
Wow, that's what, parts for this?
Yes, you know what these are? Decals. Mighty Tonka.
Wow, bro, brand new stickers and everything, huh?
Everything. I also got the interior for the crane and the dump.
That is so cool. Look at that, the little steering wheels in it and everything. I thought that went the other way for some reason.
It didn't. That's how that is.
Beautiful. What else you got?
I also got these, the exhaust. Hey, brand new.
Beautiful, brand new exhaust.
It's brand new.
Can't believe they make something like that from a toy that was so old.
I know, right?
You know?
And they make other things too, like crazy. You got the headlights.
Nice.
These are the caps that hold the wheel on.
I know, yeah. See
And
that,
we're
yeah.
on.
Very nice. All right, pal, knock it out. Put it together.
You got it.
I can't believe how clean that looks.
And there you have it. The cab's all together and it's ready to be put on the frame. See? Grills on and all that. Who is this? Hey, what's up?
Aurelio!
Today, we had a surprise visitor, Uncle Aurelio. He found out about the Godfather Lincoln and had to come look at it.
Bust it out. Go.
Can I light?
Yes. Go ahead. Hit it.
Anyway, no, I can't do that trick here.
You can do anything you want. Go ahead. What? Because you lit it up? You lit up the napkin?
Oh, excuse me. Ok, ci facciamo una fumata. Is she filming this?
Where are you going to go? Where are you going to go? It's too late. What are you talking about? It's too late.
When I came out of...
What happened? What?
Oh, he did it. See, it's lit.
It's fucking lit.
Ancora picciato, no?
Che
no,
picciato?
no, è studato.
Che te la freak? Vamo lì. Allora mo te la fa famoso pure tu. Questi qua. Facci un fumo con un naso. Non può fare. È troppo lungo.
No, si è rotta.
No.
That's how he
God
does it.
damn! Smoke cigars backwards, that's it.
That's what he does all the time when he's in Italy. He's walking
He's
around.
got balls doing that. Well, yo, come si fa una cosa questa? Go ahead with the story. I'm sorry I interrupted. So a guy came.
Yeah, guy came to the yard. He asked me to, bang up this car. I
Right.
says, okay. I says,
With the
yeah,
machine? With
but
the...
with the backhoe.
No
Yeah,
shit.
yeah, excavator. And he goes, oh, can you hit the roof a little bit more?
He drove it there?
Yeah.
He drove it out?
No, they towed it. Then they towed
Oh,
it.
they told it. I was going to say.
So I was wondering if it was an insurance job. But then he showed me this paperwork.
It was real.
Eh, legit. Well, he was leaving, and I go, where you going? He says, what do you mean? I says, hey,
It was a free...
I mean, come on.
It's not
I mean,
free.
Benjamin's still growing hair, but, he's,
Benjamin's still
well,
growing.
the $100 bills, he's bald.
Benjamin's still growing.
I show people that, I go, does he look like me? I says, yeah, but he's growing hair.
Oh, shit.
We use an extra.
Vedi, quando uno sta...
I got a sweep up. Just one up there if you really want to try it.
Well, I don't want to make a mess.
Yeah, scoop up.
Damn, you do a good job here, Lou.
Però non è buono come gli per terra.
People stopping by our shop out of the blue is an everyday thing around here. It's like a party.
I gotta tell you about the ice cream cone.
Ice cream, what happened?
I used to work in an ice cream parlor. Okay, so when I was a kid, I used to work in this ice cream parlor. And the guy said
Where?
to me, in Norton. And I says,
Nice, don't worry.
and he says, well, I can't pay you because you're underage, but you can eat whatever you want. Okay, so I ate a hamburger, a hot dog, and boom, bada bing. And I was making snow cones. You know how you make snow cones? So I make the snow cones. I said, oh, this gives me a good idea. This is July. You know what? I started making snowballs. And I'm standing on South Orange Avenue with these snowballs. Cars are passing, buses. And people, where the hell is this snow coming from? You know what I mean? Anyway, after I left the little job, I went back to get an ice cream cone. And there was another guy working. I says, oh, give me an ice cream cone. He says, who are you? I says, well, I used to work here. He says, give me an ice cream cone. He goes, no, it's 15 cents. I don't have 15 cents. He goes, so I can't give you an ice cream cone. All right. He goes, but if you bring me a little booze, a little whiskey, I'll get you an ice cream
It's
cone.
worth 15 cents.
Okay. So me, I'm thinking, he says, wait a minute, there's a bar across the street. Let me go in the garbage can where they throw all the bottles out. Okay. So I went into the garbage can. I took the bottle one by one. I took a little drip out of this one. I took a drip out of this one.
That's ingenuity.
So I got him a good shot.
Yeah.
I went back, gave him the bottle, drinks it. Okay. Gives me a vanilla ice cream cone.
Okay.
I says, you forgot the jimmies. He goes, the jimmies, the sprinkles.
Yeah.
I call them jimmies.
Little chocolate sprinkles. Yeah.
I says, give me, put the jimmies on here. He goes, well, that's a little extra. Okay, no problem. So I go back into the garbage can. I get a few more little drops out of the bottles.
Nice.
I come back, he
Nice.
gives me the jimmies. That's it.
That's it.
That's the story.
God bless, man.
Yeah.
These are life lessons, you know what I mean? It's important to know these things. It really is. You told me sometimes they were moving. Some jimmies, you put them on your ice cream.
Oh, the ants.
They were-
Well, the
they
ants
turn
would
out-
go into the container, let's say this was the jimmy thing.
Yeah.
So you would, go like this and the jimmies would come out. But sometimes overnight, ants would get on there. So when somebody wanted to, they looked like ants.
Yeah, especially.
But they were ants.
They were
They
ants.
were real ants,
They could move.
coming out of the thing. I said, oh, No, is that a camera or is that a video thing?
Video.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a video too.
Say cheese. Say cheese.
Kashigava.
After our little party was over, we got back onto the Tonka truck.
Good. Turn it upside
Yeah,
down.
I'm in.
You're in? Nice.
Beautiful.
That looks awesome so far. So now what do you got? You got wheels now?
Gotta put the wheels on. Now I'm gonna do the bumper. I have to go paint that up.
The bumper, yeah, you gotta finish that. Okay,
So?
let's do the wheels, put together whatever we can. Before tonight's over, you paint the bumper.
I'm gonna paint the bumper first thing in the morning. I'm just gonna put 2 rivets and that's it. But it's actually pretty easy to do one of these. You know?
It just takes
There's
time,
only
that's all.
4 rivets. 2 for the dump,
I cannot
2 for the
believe
front.
the way the paint looks. All right, let's put the wheels on. Ready?
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Giuseppe, how's it looking?
Good.
What are you doing?
The wheels?
The wheels? Oh, you were gonna
Yeah.
reuse the old ones?
Of course.
Yeah, you gotta keep some stuff original.
Look at the difference.
Man, that's like day and night. Beautiful. What are you doing? You gonna armor roll them?
Of course.
Man, you really mean it. Armor rolling Tonka truck tires.
Yeah. Alright.
So what's next, Giuseppe?
I'm gonna put the wheels on.
It's gonna be the nicest Tonka toy on the face of the earth. All right, let me help you out.
Alright.
How did you get that hammer?
This?
What is that? What the doctor uses to hit people in the knee to check reflexes? What is that?
I
Give
know.
me a Frank, go get a real hammer.
Ah, this is rubber and I don't want to scratch this. That's the...
Okay, ready? Here we go. Good?
You're good.
Oh, man. You see, this thing is gorgeous. Oh man, so that's it or what? What's going on? What's the story?
Well, I ran out of sand to sandblast the front bumper.
Oh,
So
okay.
I'm gonna go get sand, sandblast it, primer it, paint it black, clear coat it, and then tomorrow I'm gonna put it together because I need to do this today.
And you can do the decals,
I can do the decals, all that
right?
kind of stuff.
All right,
yeah.
so you're gonna show us the finished product when it's all done, right?
I'm gonna show you the finished product, but until then,
Taking over the world.